Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, so I'm looking at these two espresso machines. The Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo next. What's the lowdown?
Okay, cool. Right off the bat, the De'Longhi seems newer. It was first available in January 2025, while the Philips is from June 2023. The Philips is also renewed, so, it's not brand new.
Gotcha. So the De'Longhi is probably packing some updated tech then?
Definitely. The De'Longhi boasts a color display screen with touch buttons and 13 one-touch recipes. The Philips just mentions 5 coffees at your fingertips. The De'Longhi also lets you save personalized settings with 3 user profiles, which is pretty neat.
Ooh, profiles are a nice touch. What about the frothing situation? I like a good latte.
Both are solid. The Philips has the LatteGo system, which they claim is super easy to clean. The De'Longhi uses their Latte Crema hot technology. It automatically froths milk and milk alternatives, and the milk carafe is dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe is tempting. What about the grinders?
Both have ceramic burr grinders. The Philips lets you adjust the grind in 12 steps, while the De'Longhi has 13 settings. So pretty similar there. The Philips claims their grinders are good for 20,000 cups. There's no such claim for the De'Longhi.
Okay, good to know. Size-wise?
The dimensions are pretty close. The De'Longhi is 17.5, DX 9.5, WX 14H, and the Philips is 17, DX 10 inches, WX 15 inches H. The De'Longhi is heavier at 21.2 pounds, while the Philips is listed as only 0.01 ounces, which is definitely a typo.
Haha, yeah, I'd hope so. What about the price?
The De'Longhi is listed at $799.95, down from $999.95. The Philips is currently unavailable, so it's hard to say for sure about the price. Also, keep in mind the Philips is a renewed product.
Okay, so the De'Longhi is more expensive, but newer and has more features. The Philips is renewed, and its availability is uncertain. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.